Good morning students. Welcome to 5th session of 5th chapter, that is differentiation. The differentiation that is used to obtain solutions of economic and business problems. Now we have seen that the first and second order derivatives, these both can be used to obtain the maximum and minimum values of a function. First order derivative of a function that can also be used to obtain marginal income and marginal cost, which type of sums we will do in today's session. In study of economics, the relation between price and demand of a commodity can be represented as a function. If we denote the price of a commodity by P and demand by X, then we get the relation that is X is equal to function of P, that is called demand function. If the income or revenue obtained by selling X units of a commodity, then it is denoted by R. So, if we say R that is equal to X into P. So, here revenue R, that is a function of demand X. Now, question arises, what is the meaning of marginal revenue or marginal income and what is marginal cost? Now, marginal revenue or marginal income, that is the change in revenue due to small change in demand, that is called marginal revenue. Now this marginal revenue, how we write, that is dr upon dx. Same way, marginal cost, that is the change in the cost due to small change in production, that is called marginal cost. Now this marginal cost, how we write, derivative of that dc upon dx. Now let us start sum based on this marginal cost and marginal income. Now question is given this way, if the demand function of pizza is P is equal to 150 minus 4x, then find the marginal revenue when demand is of 3 pizzas and even interpret it. Now here you can see demand function P, that is equal to 150 minus 4x. Now we know revenue function R, that is P into X or X into P, which here I have already written. Now here you can see at the place of P, it's given in the form of equation, that is 150 minus 4x into X. Now open this bracket and multiply this by 4. So R will be 150x minus 4x square. If we find dr upon dx, that is marginal revenue, that will be 150x, first order derivative of that will be only 150 minus 4 2s are 8x. Now here when demand of pizza, that is X is equal to 3. In that case, dr upon dx, that is first order derivative of this revenue, will be 150 minus 8. At the place of X, we can put this value 3. So this will be 150 minus 24, that will be 126. So, now in interpretation what we will write, that revenue for selling the fourth pizza, because this is given of 3 pizzas, because X is 3. So fourth pizza is approximately rupees 126. So this is how the sum is to be solved. Let us go for next sum. Question is, if the demand function of a commodity is X is equal to 50 minus P by 2, then find the marginal revenue when price is rupees 30. Now here demand function, that is given X is equal to 50 minus P by 2. Now this thing you remember, जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आए, this demand function, it should be always with P is equal to. Here in this X is given. See, in last question P was equal to, that way it was given, so we took directly. At the place of P we used to write that value. But in this it is given X is equal to. So first thing, change this into P equals to, that way. So this will be 2X is equal to 50 minus P. Now we want that P is, if I take this side, this is minus P, this will be plus P. 50 as it is on the same side, this 2X here is positive, if we take to that side, will be minus 2X. So now this P is equal to 50 minus 2X. ये चीज हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा, P के equal to होना चाहिए. Now we put in this value of P, which is 50 minus 2X into X will be 50X minus 2X square. We find marginal revenue of this will be 50 minus 4X. When P is 30, in that case X will be 50 minus 30 by 2. So this will be 10 only. So here value of X, that is 10. So when demand X, that is 10, in that case marginal revenue, that will be dr upon dx is equal to 50 minus 4 into 10. That will be 50 minus 40, that will be 10 only. So now in interpretation we will write what? That is revenue for selling, because here 10 units are sold. So selling 11th unit is approximate rupees 10. Next and last type of sum of today's session. Question is, the cost function of a commodity is C is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 2000, where x is the number of units produced. Find marginal cost when production is 50 units. Here you can see previously which two sums we did, that was connected with marginal revenue, while this sum it's connected with marginal cost. When production is 50 units, that time we are supposed to find what will be marginal cost. Now cost function, that C is equal to, it is given in the question, 5x square plus 6x plus 2000. Now marginal cost we find dc upon dx of this will be 10x plus 6. When x is 50, that time marginal cost will be 10 into, at the place of x we write 50 plus 6, which will be 506. So here in interpretation it will come the cost of producing. See here 50 units are produced that time, because here value of x is 50. So this 506, that will be the cost of producing 51st unit is approximately rupees 506. So this way, where marginal cost we are supposed to find, or previous which two sums we did where marginal revenue we are supposed to find. Today's homework, textbook, page number 198, section D, question 19 and 20, and these three sums you are supposed to do. So this is an end of this session. See you in next session. Thank you.